single arm dumbbell thruster. We're gonna take one weight, clean it up to the shoulder. Now the movement can start from the top down. We're going to first squat, and then when you're coming up and out of the squat, you're gonna finish with a press overhead. The goal is to use the legs as much as possible. So keep the elbow forward as you go down, gain speed on the way up, get a little mini jump, and then finish with your arms. So from the side, I'm gonna go down under control, keeping the elbow in front, gain speed, and then a little pop at the top. You're gonna finish with that arm punching through the ceiling.